vuole qualche cosa di più. Ci vuole un po' di pushing, quando il sole va giù. Ci vedi qualche cosa di
Hey guys, so in this week's Tuesday tutorial, we're going to be teaching you the Bacco Perbacco line dance. It's actually an Italian country song, but it's pretty fun. So what you're going to do is you're going to start off by taking your right foot, stepping out to your right, and then you bring it forward, and then you take your left foot, you step out to your left, and then bring your left foot in front of your right. You're going to do this one more time with your right foot, one more time with your left foot. Then you're gonna just take 4 steps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then from here, you're gonna take your right foot, bring it in front, and then swivel out to your left. So it's just a 90-degree turn. And then you're gonna tap your right heel out diagonally, then your left foot out diagonally. Then after you've tapped your left foot out, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna take your left foot, bring it around, and then turn. So it's a 180-degree turn, and you're facing behind you. Then you're gonna do the same thing. So tap your right foot, or right heel out diagonally, then your left heel out diagonally. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna do another 180-degree turn, but what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your right foot, so you're gonna take your right foot, kind of step out, step in front of your left foot, and then start turning, and then you bring it around again and you turn. So you're facing behind you again, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna bring your right leg and just kind of bring it out to the side, literally just lift it up to your side. Then you're gonna bring your left foot out to your side, to the left side. And then you're gonna bring your right leg out again, but when you're bringing it back, you just cross it in front of your left foot. So after you've done these leg movements, you bring your right leg out, left leg out, right leg, and then crossed it. What you're gonna do is to your right foot, triple step out to your right, bring your left leg around, and then swivel. So you're here, you've triple step out, you bring your left leg around, your right foot or leg, and then you just turn completely around. Then you take, once you're facing this direction, you take your left foot, step forward and triple step. Then you're gonna do this 360-degree spin. So you take your right leg, and then you swivel on your right leg. It's really important that you do, it's really important that you do spin on your right leg, because that will set you up to restart the line dance. So again, you triple step with your left leg, you bring your right leg in front, and then turn. So your left leg is in front. It sets you up perfectly to begin the line dance over again.